So now we're going to go through the steps of the Caribbean Foxtrot. And if you have done a little bit of ballroom dancing, you'll find that a lot of your basic ballroom dancing steps of the Foxtrot are in Caribbean Foxtrot. So we commence in ballroom hold with the gent facing diag to the centre. We dance a walk into a feather step and 1 to 3 of a reverse turn. So we've got walk into the feather, quick, quick, reverse, quick, quick. We now dance into a hover corte and a closed hover. Now hovers are just where we step and mark time on the spot. Slow, mark time, and the gent has made a turn to back diag centre. On the closed hover, the lady is now dancing right foot forward, outside on the gentleman's right side. Hover, quick, quick. And we'll finish this little section with a feather finish, which is back to the side and forward, outside on the lady's right side. Slow, quick, quick. So we'll put that little section together for you. So commencing facing diag to the centre, we've got the walk and the feather, quick, quick, reverse. Quick, quick, the hover corte, the closed hover, and the feather finish, which now puts the gentleman facing diag to the wall. From here now we go into a walk into a 3-step and a natural weave. Now I'm actually going to go up to bar 9 here, because then we won't have to stop the weave halfway through. So left foot for the gentleman, right foot for the lady, and the gentleman will come in line with the lady for the 3-step. So we've got slow, quick, quick. Now moving into our natural weave, the gentleman is dancing forward to the side, while the lady dances back into a heel turn to allow the gent to make the turn. And then the lady dances outside of the gentleman for the weave. So we've got slow, quick, 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 quick. So we'll just show you that little weave again. So you're making like a letter V. So gentleman forward, gent forward on the right, lady back on the left, 1 slow and the 6 quicks. Slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll put that all together from the beginning. So we've got gentleman left, lady right, the walk. Walk into the feather, quick, quick, reverse. Quick, quick, hover corte, into the closed hover, into the feather finish, into the 3-step, into the weave, quick, 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 quick. So moving on, we're now going to dance a whisk into a zigzag. Now remembering the whisk is step to the side and cross behind. That's forward for the gentleman and back for the ladies. You've got step, side, cross. Now the zigzag, I always teach this as he turns, she turns. So I'll get Ted to demonstrate his steps first. He's going to dance forward, and then as you see, he will turn. So he's going to dance forward, side, back, side, forward. Now if the lady dances hers along with the gentleman, we're in our whisk position. Now the lady will dance forward, forward, side, back. So she makes the turn at the end. So slow, the man has turned, Now the lady will turn there to finish it. So we'll just put that together for you and I'll count it in the slows and quicks. So from our whisk, we've got whisk, quick, quick, slow, zigzag, 3, 4. Now moving on from there, we've got 1 to 4 of the reverse wave into outside checks. So again, a heel turn for the lady. The man is dancing forward, side, back, back. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Now he's going to step to the side and check on the right side of the lady. Side, check. Now he's dancing backside forward to check on the left side of the lady. Slow, quick, quick. So again, we'll put that little section together for you. But what we'll do is we'll pick it up from the whisk and the zigzag. So we've now got the whisk, quick, quick, the zigzag. He turns, she turns, reverse, quick, quick, slow, side check, right side, slow, side check, left side. So we've just got 2 more bars now, which I'm going to finish the dance with. We've got a feather finish, which is back to the side forward on the right side of the lady for the gent. He's turning to his left. Back, side, forward. And a change of direction, which is forward side brush to take him to his diag centre line to start the dance again. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4, 9, 2, 3, 4, 10, 2, 3, 4, 11, 2, 3, 4, 12, 2, 3, 4, 13, 2, 3, 4, 14, 2, 3, 4, 15, 2, 3, 4, 16, 2, 3, 4. But now, as Foxtrot is quite a complicated rhythm, I'd like to just dance it again once for you, this time counting it for you in slows and quicks. So we have slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. 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 Quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow.